video on cell ranges in Microsoft Excel. A range of cells in Microsoft Excel is two or more cells either together like this, or what we call non-contiguous cells, which are not connected. So I would choose this cell, this cell, this cell, this cell, this cell. Okay, this makes a group of non-contiguous cells, and I'm going to go ahead and put a fill color behind them so we know what cells I've chosen. To do a vertical selection of a range of cells, we simply select them vertically, and I'm going to go ahead and color those yellow. I can do a horizontal range of cells like this, color those orange. And I can do a multi-row, multi-column selection like this, which I've got 3 rows or 3 columns and multiple rows, and I'm going to go ahead and color those green. Okay, so we have what we call non-contiguous cells, which are cells that are not next to each other. Then we have contiguous cells like these over here, which we have a vertical selection, a horizontal selection, and then a multi-column, multi-row selection. So the question is, when you're writing these or identifying the location of these ranges, how do you name them? Well, we're going to start with the vertical. We're going to name this by starting with the first cell, which is I2. So I'm going to type in I2, and then I put in a colon that designates through, and my last cell is I11, so I'm going to put I2 through I11. That is how we name this range of cells. To name the horizontal, I'm starting at J6. I'm ending at L6, so I'm going to write J6 through L6. That's the name of this range of cells. This range of cells starts at M2 and ends at O11. So the name of this is M2 through O11. That's how we name that range of cells. To name this non-contiguous range, it's really the individual cell names. So we're not going to go through naming that today because you know how to do that. This was just to show you that you could select different cells that were not next to each other and put them into a range. Why do we put cells in range? Well, sometimes we want to format them into dollars or dates or something like that, so I can select more than one cell at a time. Okay, once again, we can have a vertical range of cells, we can have a horizontal range of cells, or we can have a multi-column, multi-row range of cells. These are called contiguous ranges, and this is because they are continual, and these are the non-continuous ranges of cells or contiguous ranges of cells that you would get into at a more advanced level. This is a quick video on cell ranges in Microsoft Excel.